Hi, it's Elmer, your fire protection guy. I'm going to guide you on how to test your smoke alarm automatically. Normally, your fire inspector will be checking your smoke alarm. You're using a smoke can, this one or this one, to simulate a smoke. But let's do it the simplest way. Whatever you have at home, like a mosquito coil, or you can burn a toast just below the smoke alarm to create a smoke, or follow this simple method. I hope the test was a success. So let me know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.